Welcome all. In this video, we are going to discuss Introduction to the ARM processor core. ARM, originally named as Acorn RISC Machines, as it is developed by the Acorn Computer Limited. Later it is named as Advanced RISC Machines. It is a family of reduced instruction set computers, that is RISC machine. British company ARM Holdings developed the architecture and licenses it to other companies who design their own product that implement one of those architectures. ARM Holdings' primary business is selling IP cores, which their licenses companies use to create their own microcontrollers, CPUs, and system on chips based on those cores. ARM processor can be used as a 16-bit or 32-bit processor. ARM do not make the ICs. Instead, ARM grant the licenses of core to different silicon vendors like Atmel, NXP, Cirrus Logic, etc. These companies make the ICs. For example, ELPC2148 from NXP, 8091RM9200 from Atmel. There are several generations of ARM design. The original ARM1 used 32-bit internal structure, but it had 26-bit address space that limited it to 64 kilobytes of a main memory. This limitation was removed in ARM version 3 series, which has 32-bit address space, and for several additional generations up to ARM version 7, it remained 32-bit. Released in 2011, ARM version 8A architecture added support for 64-bit address space, and it also has 64-bit arithmetic with its new 32-bit fixed-length instruction set. ARM Limited also released a series of additional instruction sets for different rules. The thumb extension adds both 16-bit and 32-bit instructions for improved code density, while Jazelle added instructions for directly handling Java bytecode. Due to their low cost, minimal power consumption, and lower heat generated than their competitors, ARM processors are desirable for lightweight, portable, battery-powered devices, including smartphones, tablets, laptops, as well as other embedded systems. These are some examples of day-to-day life embedded systems where ARM processor is predominantly used, such as digital camera, tablets, laptop, smartphone, washing machine, audio system, and many more. ARM processors can be divided into three different categories. First is ARM classic processors, second one ARM embedded processors, and ARM application processors. Let us discuss each of these categories in detail. First is ARM classic processors. ARM classic processors include ARM7, ARM9, ARM11 families. ARM7 TDMI is still highest shipping 32-bit ARM processor. ARM7 based processors are still used in many small and simple 32-bit devices. Next category is ARM embedded processors. Even though ARM7 or other classic ARM processors can be used for small-scale embedded systems, newer embedded systems are built using advanced ARM embedded processors. Cortex-M and Cortex-R processors are considered as a embedded ARM processors, where ARM Cortex-M processors have microcontroller profile, while Cortex-R processors have a real-time profile. Cortex-M processors are energy efficient, simple to implement, and are mainly developed for the advanced embedded applications, where Cortex-R series of processors provide solution for real-time embedded systems. They provide high reliability, high fault tolerance, and real-time responses. These are various embedded ARM processors, where Cortex-R processors are considered as real-time profile, and Cortex-M processor is having a microcontroller profile. Next category is ARM application processors. ARM Cortex-A series of processors are called as the application processors. They are highest performance processors from ARM. They are used in powerful mobile devices, compelling technology products like network devices, consumer appliances, automation systems, automobiles, and other embedded systems. Cortex-A processors are again divided into high performance, high efficiency, and ultra high efficiency types of processor. These are the different Cortex-A processors under high performance, high efficiency, and ultra high efficiency categories. Where to begin for ARM processors? It is advised by many embedded system developers that LPC214X series is best processor to begin ARM-based application development. It is an ARM7 based processor with ARM7 TDMIS processor core. It is based on ARM version 4 architecture, and the significant changes from its previous architecture is the introduction of 16-bit thumb instruction set. So this is about the introduction of ARM processors. Thank you for watching the video.